Hey guys, welcome back. In the last lecture, we displayed the header in the PDF with just a simple text, but that was not enough because you will be able to see the header only first page in the PDF. Okay, let me show you that by an example. So open a new tab and go through the new form of the post. So posts new. Okay, and here you can see that we can create a title here. So let's make let's say another post here. Okay, and now we can provide a very long description here that can span more than one page into the PDF. So what we can do here that we can simply copy the entire content from this PDF and use as the description into our new post. Okay, so just paste it 3 to 4 times. Okay, so here you can see. So I pasted it 5 times. Okay, and now I can create a new post. Okay, so here you can see that this is the very long text I can see on the uh, browser now. And now if I go to preview and download, so you can see that when I click on preview and download, it is showing me that this number of pages. But this header is appearing only on the first page of the PDF. Okay, for example, this is the first page of the PDF, and here we can see the header, but on rest of the pages you can see that there is no header on the rest of the pages. Okay, so the changes we made to display the header in the last lecture was fine but not complete. Why? Because we need to display the header on every page here. Okay, so we can do that. However, it is always not necessary that you need to display the header on every page, but suppose if there is a need, then what you will do. So I'm just creating this lecture for that point of view. Okay, so now after following this lecture, you will be able to see header on every page of the PDF. Okay, so just open the posts controller where we implemented the download action, and here you can see that this is the part that we used to display the header. Okay, and now we need to make a repeat block here for the header. Okay, since right now we have multiple pages in our application, so we need to call the repeat block. Okay, so we can call, let's say, post pdf dot repeat, and here we can provide all. Okay, because we need to iterate through all the pages, and now just make it a block, and into this block we just need to call this part here. Okay, so we can just copy this part, sorry, we can just copy this part and we can paste it here inside the repeat block. Okay, so just paste it here and correct the indentation. Okay, and save it now. Okay, and then we need to move this move down method here, method call here into this repeat block itself. Okay, why? Because we are using now header on every page, so we need to make the separation between the page header and the page content. So we need to use this move down method inside this repeat block. Okay, now we need to use one more bounding box to display the page content below header on each page. Okay, but this time we do not need to call the repeat method. Okay, so what we can do here that we can simply copy this bounding box line. Okay, and this time we need to provide the height argument as well. So we can just copy this, paste pdf dot bounding box, and here we can use post pdf dot bounds dot left, and now post pdf dot, rather than bounds dot top, what you need to use, you need to use cursor. So cursor. Okay, and then width will be the post pdf dot bounds dot width, and the height will be the post pdf dot cursor. Okay, so just provide the height here as well, and then height here you can add post pdf dot cursor. Okay, and then you can close this block, and inside this block now you need to do your rest of the stuff. Okay, you need to call this thing. So just cut this from here and paste it inside the second bounding box. Okay, and save the file. Now you can refresh your browser preview where you are previewing the PDF. So just to save the controller and switch to the browser, sorry, switch to the browser and refresh your page now. Okay, now after refreshing this page, you can see that header is appearing on the first page, and when you go to the second page, you can see the header is here as well. On the third page, header is here as well. On the fourth page, header is here as well. Okay, so now it's not depend upon the number of pages. We are displaying this header on every PDF page. Okay, and you might need this feature in some cases, so that's why I show this in this lecture. Okay, so here you can just go to the download action and review it again. So here you can see that what we did, we define the repeat block. Okay, and into the repeat block we defined the header, and then we created this move down, we call this move down method inside this repeat block. And why repeat block? Because now we have multiple pages into our PDF, not the single pages. Okay, and we need to iterate through all the pages to display the header, so that's why we call repeat all with all argument here. Okay, and here you can see that we call the another bounding box to display the page content. Why another bounding box? Because now the page content should be respective to the header of the page. Okay, so that's why we needed it here. Okay, and we did that. So our header is working fine now, and now the header will appear on every PDF page and separated by contents, no matter how long your PDF is. Okay, and that's all from this lecture. Try this lecture at your end, and we will meet into the next lecture. Till then, tata, goodbye, take care, and stay safe.